Dear friends, welcome to the new edition of TNB. I am Afsana updating you the textile highlights. The Bangladesh government is prioritizing improvement to waste treatments, infrastructures and industry recovery measurement as the country leather sectors continue to grapple with relocation related challenges and environmental complications. Khandekar Abdul Muqtadir, the minister, made the remarks following an inspection of the Central Effluent Treatment Plant (CETP) at the BSCIC Leather Industrial Park in Savar, where he reviewed the facility's operational status and discussed. Muqtadir acknowledged that while the relocations of tanneries from Hazirabad to Savar was necessary steps for an environmental perspective, shortcoming is planning and implementations had hindered the industry's anticipated growth. According to the minister, the decisions to relocate the tanneries was appreciated given the significant waste generated by the sector and the need of modern treatment facilities. However, he noted the weakness in the exhaustion of the relocation process had created long-term operational challenges for the industries. The minister highlighted capacity at the CETP, a critical component of environmental management. Within the Savar leather estate, the facilities was originally designed to treat approximately 25 cubic. However, waste generation during peak production period rise to between 40,000 and 50,000 cubic meters daily, resulting in a substantial treatment shortfall. To address the issue, the government is while strengthening chromium recovery system to improve environmental performance. Muqtadir says the government is also exploring the possibility of involving Italy is upgrading and operating the CETP. The proposed collaboration is expected to enhance pollution control measurements and improve environmental management measures for train operated facing financial pressures stemming from relocating related disruptions and increasing debate burden. Thank you. Coming up with new highlights very soon.